Okay, we're going to take this log and turn it into a single log. If you're adding two logs, that's the same as multiplying one log. Let's distribute. Next, we're going to go convert this from base to power. There isn't a base, so the base is 10. 10 to the first equals x squared plus 3x. 10 to the first is 10. We're solving a quadratic, so you want to subtract 10 from each side so you can set your quadratic equal to 0. What multiplies to 10 and adds to 3? You have x times x gives you your x squared. 5 times 2 multiplies to 10. We want a positive 3, so positive 5, negative 2. So x equals negative 5, and x equals 2. Next, number 14. Log base 4 of x squared equals 7. Base to the power, 4 to the 7th equals x squared. 4 to the 7th is 16384. The way we undo a square is we square root. X equals 128. Now, something special. If x squared equals 16, x can equal 4 times 4 to get 16. X can also equal negative 4 times negative 4 to get 16. So this 128 needs to be plus or minus, because 128 times 128 equals 16,384. But also negative 128 times negative 128 gives you that.